What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to convert your casual photo that you took with your mobile phone to a formal photo that you can use on your LinkedIn profile or your CV or any other portfolio website that you have. So go ahead to remaker.ai, which has lots of image editing AI tools like image background remover, upscaler, and others. The one that we are going to use is called the headshot generator. Just click on it and make sure you sign up to remaker.ai. It's pretty easy, straightforward, and simple. And now you are going to choose your template. So you have many templates to choose from for women and also men. So in this case, I'll choose a woman since I have a photo of a woman. And also you can upload your custom template if you have a formal photo that you want to use as your template. However, I'll stick with the templates for now. And let's choose this one, for example, or this one, the deep blue. And now you want to upload your image. I'm going to click here and now choose the image that I want to upload. Okay, let's choose this image, for example. Open it. As you can see, it's an image of a woman. Now scroll down and click on generate. It'll take some time to generate your photo, and I'll come back to you once the results are ready. As you can see, it's generating, and these are some other photos or past photos that I was trying out. And here are the two generated photos. I should say they look pretty professional. As you can see, they took the photo of the woman that I added and made her smile with the same style that I chose. Now you can choose any of them, download the photo that you want, or if you don't like the result, you can always choose another model or choose another photo of yourself. You can upload up to 4 images to get a more precise result.